This sunken walkway was recently poly-lifted by a competitor. As shown here, the poly-lifting approach uses just one injection point per section. While this method costs less by using fewer materials, it fails to provide a long-term repair. This is a clear example of how choosing the cheapest option can ultimately waste your valuable time and money. At Acme, our Smart Lift system follows strict installation procedures to ensure high-quality, long-lasting repairs every time. Concrete raising is our specialty, our only service. While some companies offer a wide range of services, we focus on doing one thing and doing it the best way possible. When needing concrete raised, always demand a true specialist. Demand Acme Concrete Raising and Repair and its Smart Lift system.